In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove closed captions on YouTube TV so you can enjoy your shows or movies without subtitles if you prefer. Let's get started. Closed captions are a helpful feature for many viewers, but if you'd like to turn them off, the process is simple and can be done directly from the playback controls. While watching a show or movie on YouTube TV, look for the CC icon in the top right corner of the video player. This icon indicates that closed captions are enabled. To turn them off, click the CC button and the captions will disappear immediately. If you're using a mobile device or smart TV, the CC option might be located in the playback menu. Simply tap or select it to toggle captions off. If you want to ensure closed captions are disabled by default for all videos, you can adjust your settings. On the YouTube TV app or website, click your profile picture in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, navigate to Accessibility or Playback Settings, depending on your device. Look for an option related to closed captions or subtitles and toggle it to Off. This ensures captions won't appear automatically when you start watching content. Keep in mind that some programs, especially live broadcasts or content with mandated accessibility requirements, may still display captions even after disabling them in your settings. In such cases, you'll need to turn them off manually during playback. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on customizing your streaming experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope removing closed captions on YouTube TV was quick and easy for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.